Good morning everybody, welcome along to another Alpine Studios adventure. Today we are up in Glenshee and the weather's not looking particularly great, the wind is fairly strong, so I am only going to go to the lower to the Glas Maol circuit. I don't know if you can hear me because the wind's starting to pick up. Basically up there top left, it's Glas Maol, and then just to the right there, middle right, that's on I can't pronounce. I think we're going up there, right there, and come back down. You know you're on a road when you start to question your life choices. What am I doing here? I could still be in my bed. Let's hope it clears up and this wind doesn't get any worse. I don't know if you can hear me because the wind's really kicking up. The path to the right, Lock Highlands told you to take, covered in snow. So I'm going to take this straight path, straight up. I managed to find a wee stone shelter. Get out of the wind. Just have a wee quick break before the last push of the summit. It's so windy. So windy. I've got the anemometer, I think that's how you say it, with me. So I'm going to try and get some wind readings with that. But if I get up to the top here and it's too windy, I'm just going to sack the second one and just come straight back down. Last pull up to the summit of Glas Maol. Still plenty of snow about too. The wind shows no sign of anything. Head down. Go. Here we go. One row. Ready. Glas Maol. Bit of shelter here. Relax for a bit. Don't know if you can hear me. I'm trying to face into the wind. I'm going to go for the second one. The second one up there. Might as well. So I'm walking into the wind now, and then I've got the wind behind me on the way back down. Fingers crossed. To the top. The wind's tied up. Just see the car park in the distance. One row, 29. Creag. Woo! The last couple of kilometres, I think 2-3 kilometres to the bottom now, and then that's it.